Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and I've got a little update or two for you regarding some free patterns that I am loading up onto my shop, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. So anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Now I'm doing this video on here, as well as a similar video over on my other channel, which is Hobby Rocks, and the reason being is that these are mostly free knitting patterns, but I know a lot of my crocheters do knit as well, even if you haven't subscribed to me yet over on Hobby Rocks, which is where I'm doing some knitting tutorials. I've done about 7, I want to say, so far, and pretty soon I'll do a few more, and then we'll make a little thing, whether that's a scarf or whatever. I haven't made my mind up yet, but once we get to that point, we'll make something like I did when I did the beginners crochet course. We made the pumpkin after we'd done enough of the how to do bits, so I'll do the same over there. Now I think it was yesterday I did show you this pattern. So this is my first, this one is very hard to see, and it is a unicorn. That's not what I called it earlier, but it is a unicorn. See, there's the yeah, spiky thing. So this is one, and there are 20 of those, and they're already listed on the website, which there is a link to under this video, and a voucher code for some help with shipping at the moment. And that voucher is you can use it with sale items, but obviously these are free with any purchase. So it can be crochet hooks, knitted needles, diamond painting, cross stitch, which are all still half price, by the way. And the t-shirt yarn is now $4.99 for a massive I'll say ball, it's a massive one, as well as all the other special offers I've mentioned recently. But these patterns at the moment, I don't believe I have any crochet ones, but I've got some free knitting. I'm going to get some more if I can, and when I do I'll show them to you. But they're all Stylecraft, including the unicorn. But I've got some sweaters, and these are baby sizes. They go up to 1 to 2 years. So there's some whoops, there's a sweater. There goes the sweater. And there's a shawl, which is very pretty. We also have some sockies, nice sockies, and there is scarf and gloves. Some of them I have a lot of, and some of them I don't, so some will run out fairly quick. A cowl with a hat, very nice one, and I love this cowl, but you could use the hat to go with this one, quite easy. Nice. And this cowl's very, very pretty too. There's that one. We've got a scarf up close. Try not to get the ring light gets in the way a little bit. And a shawl. But obviously you don't have to use these colours. You can just do it in one, or you can do what you like with it really once you've got it. And then I do stock this bellissima yarn, unless it's chunky. I don't know if it is. It looks like chunky. So hat and gloves, but you can use any yarn. And of course there's this one, which is a bobble hat with some gloves. And sorry, I've gone, there we go, retrieved the pullovers. So there you go. Those are the ones that I'm going to be uploading very soon, but I have to take the photographs and I have to resize them all. There's quite a bit of work involved. This one's already up there. I mean, obviously I do have physical patterns that you can purchase from a variety of companies like James C. Brett, King Cole and Sirdar. There's those really lovely festival ones. I do have some of them over here actually, but I'd crease them up trying to get them out. So but there's lots already physical patterns that you can purchase, but these are physical patterns that are free. So as long as you've made a purchase and I'm going to be posting something out, I will send them. Now the reason that I'm doing this is because up until now, if I knew somebody was a knitter, I would put a few in their parcel. but I don't know when people place an order for yarn if they can knit or not, and I don't want to be putting them in if people can't use them. So it's only if I've known that person's a knitter, then I will put them in, especially if they buy something like knitting needles or a needle size gauge and things I know they knit. So they're just sitting there in the drawer, and I thought, well, if I did upload them and they're free, you could always pop a few in your order. So that's what I'm doing it for. Anyway, that's not good. Some of them are probably there already. I know that the unicorn is. I'm not sure if I've managed to upload the others yet, but I've got to, as I say, do a bit of work on the pictures and everything else. So they'll be appearing very, very soon. I've also, check me out, made a couple of shorts, and they're uploading as well. And they're quite, I've been meaning to do these shorts for a long time, but I managed to get my other kind of, I bought this gimbal for outside for use, but it doesn't really do what I wanted it to do, but it's perfect for doing vertical tutorials and things like that. So great for shorts anyway. So watch out for those, and thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now, everyone.